Hi all, welcome to Jam's Art class. Today we are going to draw a cat. C A T cat. To draw a cat's face, we will make a circle. We will make two ears like this, cat's eyes, a nose, and a smiling mouth. Make few furs on both the cheeks. Fill it with black color. Hair on the head. And our cat's face is ready. Now we will draw cat's body. Make a C shape to make leg. And now oval to draw its body. Tail. Paw, another one too. You can erase this line, and now we will make fur on the cat's back. Zebra pattern on tail. Two lines and black. And our tail is ready. Our cat is ready now. Okay guys, then we'll see you in the next session. So keep watching Jamso Art class. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. See you. Bye bye.